All right, tech fans. Apple is once again stealing the spotlight, making waves in the news for various reasons today. Let's dive into the juicy details behind Apple's recent headlines and explore the implications for investors and tech enthusiasts alike. First up, Apple dodged a potential economic pitfall thanks to a significant move by the Trump administration, which over the weekend exempted smartphones, computers, and other tech gadgets from those dreaded tariffs on Chinese imports. Given that Apple leans heavily on its Chinese manufacturing partners, this was a big sigh of relief. Tariffs would likely have spiked iPhone prices across the US, making your next Apple gadget purchase even pricier. However, don't pop the champagne just yet. Tariffs are known for their unpredictability, much like a line of code that's always crashing. While the initial tariff relief may keep Apple's pricing steady for now, the landscape remains uncertain. An economic slowdown seems to be looming like a bad software update, further complicating Apple's strategic plays. Consumer confidence took a nosedive, registering its worst in 12 years. With people tightening their wallets, smartphone upgrade cycles, already stretching thin, may elongate further, a less than ideal scenario for a company relying heavily on new sales. Amidst these trade war jitters, Apple's seeming stumble in AI features, specifically Siri and Apple Intelligence, adds to its woes. Despite a recent management overhaul, Apple's AI prowess is reportedly lagging. This shortcoming raises questions about its ability to compete in an AI-animated world and attract more users into its ecosystem. Adding another layer to Apple's AI ambitions, the company announced plans to revamp how it processes data by going on-device. The goal? Intensify user privacy and fine-tune Apple Intelligence without risking data leaks. Gotta love a company that respects a user's privacy as fiercely as you protect the last slice of pizza. Yet while this move bolsters Apple's image as a privacy fortress, it doesn't address the slow rollout of its much-awaited AI features, pushing significant updates to Siri as far out as 2026. Lastly, what's been happening with the Apple stock roller coaster? In recent months, Apple stock took a dizzying 30% plunge from its peak, landing at $172 per share. History suggests that Apple stock typically bounces back like an indestructible rubber ball after such dips, with an 80% climb in the following year plausible. But as always, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, especially amid high tariff unknowns. Also casting shadows over the horizon are potential tariffs ranging between 24% and 46% on goods from other key manufacturing hubs like Vietnam, South Korea, and India. All this trade tentativeness lends Apple's stock the same level of unpredictability as a cat trapped inside a Roomba. It's no wonder that investors remain cautious regarding Apple's valuation, currently viewed by some as pricey, given the plight of escalating tariffs and economic uncertainty. So there you have it, the dizzying roller coaster that's currently Apple's market and tech landscape. Stay tuned as we monitor how this tech titan navigates the stormy seas of trade policies, AI updates, and economic pressures. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.